The man at the center of what the National Environment Body NEMA believes to be an illegal plastic bag syndicate was today arraigned in Kimilili courts. Patrick Shikuku was arrested late last week posing as a homeless man with about 250,000 shillings and more than 1,000 packets of plastic bags. Eunice Omolo gives us the latest.
Carefully groomed, complete with a fresh haircut, Patrick Shikuku was in court after his dramatic arrest on Friday. When he was arrested by the police officers, he wore dirty and torn clothes and shoes. His unkempt look, a smoke screen to hide an illegal business. Shikuku, it was discovered, was a clever and dedicated trader, a master of his game who over time may thrive in the full glare of law enforcers. The court heard that 38-year-old Shikuku was nabbed with 275,000 Kenya shillings and 15,000 packets of plastic bags. The case will be mentioned on 18th July after a medical report is provided to ascertain his mental state before he can take a plea. Eunice Omolo, NTV.